What's up guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best smoke tubes for pellet grills on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. LIZZQ Premium Pellet Smoker Tube. If you're looking to elevate your grilling game, the LIZZQ Premium Pellet Smoker Tube is a must-have accessory. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a weekend warrior, this 12-inch smoker tube is designed to deliver up to 5 hours of billowing smoke that will take your culinary creations to the next level. One of the most outstanding features of the LIZZQ Premium Pellet Smoker Tube is its compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with any type of grill, be it gas, electric, or charcoal. So, no matter what kind of grilling setup you have, you can easily add this smoker tube to enhance the flavor of your food. Smoking is an age-old culinary technique that infuses food with rich, smoky flavors. The LIZZQ Pellet Smoker Tube is the perfect companion for both hot and cold smoking. Whether you're smoking ribs, cured meat, hot dogs, sausages, chicken, cheese, lamb, fish, nuts, fruit, corn, bacon, or any other delicacy, this versatile accessory has you covered. The 5-hour smoke production ensures your food is infused with that irresistible smoky essence. The choice of wood pellets can greatly influence the flavor of your smoked dishes. The LIZZQ Smoker Tube is compatible with a variety of wood pellets, including cherry, hickory, mesquite, apple, pecan, and more. This means you can experiment with different wood flavors to create unique and mouth-watering results. One of the standout features of the LIZZQ Pellet Smoker Tube is its innovative hexagonal shape. Unlike traditional circular smokers that can roll around, this hexagon-shaped tube stays in place, ensuring balanced and efficient smoke diffusion. This design ensures you get the best smoking results every time. Made from high-quality stainless steel 304, the LIZZQ Pellet Smoker Tube is not only safe for food but also built to last. Number 2. Carpathen Smoke Tube. In the world of barbecue and smoking, achieving the perfect smoky flavor can be a real challenge. But with the Carpathen Smoke Tube, that challenge becomes a breeze. This versatile pellet smoker tube is here to transform your grilling experience. The Carpathen Smoke Tube Kit is more than just a smoker tube, it's a comprehensive package designed to enhance your smoking endeavors. The Carpathen Smoke Tube effortlessly converts your grill into a smoker, making the smoking process easy and accessible to anyone. Its small size and unique design allow you to burn wood pellets, delivering an authentic wood flavor without the need for an expensive cold smoke tube. Simply fill the smoking tube with food-grade wood pellets, light it, and enjoy 5 hours of thin blue smoke. This smoke will infuse delightful flavors into your choice of meat, including ribs, cured meat, hot dogs, sausages, chicken, and cheese. No matter what type of grill you own, the Carpathen Smoke Tube for pellet grills can turn it into a cold smoker without any modifications. This is especially beneficial for gas or electric grill owners who long for that deep smoky flavor that charcoal smokers provide. With its compact size, this smoke tube is portable and convenient to use anywhere you desire, even in places where traditional smoke tubes for pellets can't go. The Carpathen Smoke Tube makes for an exceptional gift for your barbecue-loving friends. Packaged in an attractive gift box, this premium stainless steel tube smoker is a fantastic addition to anyone's barbecue arsenal, whether they use a gas or electric grill. With the ability to use a variety of wood pellets, from apple and cherry to mesquite, hickory, and oak, this pellet tube promises to ignite their enthusiasm for smoking. Number 3. Kona Best Pellet Smoker Tube. If you're passionate about grilling and smoking, the Kona Best Pellet Smoker Tube is a game-changer you don't want to miss. Designed for clean burning smoke that lasts for hours, this heavy-duty 304 stainless steel tube is a must-have accessory for wood pellets, chips, electric grills, gas grills, and all barbecue enthusiasts. Tired of smoke tubes that constantly go out, leaving you frustrated and compromising the flavor of your food? Kona's Pellet Smoker Tube features a patent-pending diamond shape with air inlets that maintain the ideal airflow, keeping your pellets consistently lit. This innovation ensures you get the perfect amount of smoke, leading to grilling perfection every time. With the Kona Pellet Smoker Tube, you can enjoy up to 8 hours of uninterrupted smoking. The secret to achieving this extended smoke time starts with premium wood pellets that are completely dry. Kona's wood pellets are renowned for their quality. Fill the tube 90% full, ignite them with a pencil torch, and let them burn for about 10 minutes. Once they're glowing, blow out the flame, and you're ready to infuse your food with mouth-watering smokiness. For shorter grilling sessions, you can add just half a cup of pellets to the tube, and it will provide up to 2 hours of smoke. Place the tube over high direct heat for a minimum of 10 minutes, and you're all set. The Kona Pellet Smoker Tube is all about efficiency, ensuring that you can enjoy the level of smokiness you desire without any unnecessary hassle. Cleaning up after a satisfying barbecue session can be a chore, but not with the Kona Pellet Smoker Tube. Crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, this tube is designed to make your life easier. Simply shake out any old ash, refill the tube with fresh pellets, and you're good to go for your next culinary adventure. This durable material ensures the longevity of your smoker tube. Number 4. Hyzea Smoker Tube. The Hyzea Smoke Tube is your secret weapon to elevate your grilling and smoking game. Designed to work with any grill, whether it's gas, electric, or charcoal, and compatible with all types of smokers, this 12 stainless steel pellet smoker tube is here to revolutionize your cooking. The Hyzea Smoke Tube allows you to enjoy up to 5 hours of billowing smoke effortlessly. All you need to do is add your favorite wood pellets, whether it's apple, pecan, hickory, mesquite, oak, cherry, or any other variety. Light them up and let them burn for a few minutes to ensure they're properly ignited. Then, simply place the tube in your grill or smoker and let it work its smoky magic. One of the standout features of the Hyzea Smoke Tube is its versatility when it comes to flavor. You can easily fill the tube with one kind of wood pellets or mix and match different varieties for unique smoke combinations. Whether you're smoking ribs, cured meat, hot dogs, sausages, chicken, cheese, lamb, fish, nuts, fruit, corn, bacon, or anything else your culinary heart desires, this smoker tube delivers the flavor you crave. The Hyzea Smoke Tube comes with an improved hex cross-section design that ensures it stays stable on any grill grate. You won't have to worry about it rolling around and causing uneven smoking. The tube is crafted from 304 stainless steel, a high-quality and durable material that is not only safe but also easy to clean. Looking for a thoughtful gift for your friends and family who love grilling and smoking? The Hyzea Smoke Tube comes in an attractive gift box and includes some handy accessories. Inside, you'll find a cleaning brush to make residue cleanup a breeze, a barbecue brush to keep your grates in top shape, and an S-type hook for convenient storage of your grill tools. It's the perfect package for barbecue enthusiasts. The Hyzea Smoke Tube is a must-have tool for any grilling or smoking enthusiast. Number 5. Ulfsemani Pellet Smoker Tube. The Ulfsemani Pellet Smoker Tube is your ticket to enhancing the taste of your favorite dishes, no matter what type of grill or smoker you own. This versatile 12-inch tube is designed to work seamlessly with electric, gas, charcoal, and pellet grills of all shapes and sizes, making it a must-have accessory for every outdoor cooking enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Ulfsemani Pellet Smoker Tube is its universal compatibility. No matter what type of grill you prefer, this smoker tube is designed to work with it. Whether you're using an electric grill, a traditional gas grill, a charcoal grill, or a modern pellet grill, this tube is your ideal partner. Plus, it can accommodate grills of any size and shape. Say goodbye to the frustration of your smoker tube rolling around the grill. The Ulfsemani Pellet Smoker Tube features a unique hexagonal design that ensures it stays securely in place. This design is a game changer, allowing you to focus on your cooking instead of worrying about the tube's position. It can be used for both cold smoking, ideal for cheese and nuts, and hot smoking, perfect for steaks, chicken, lamb, ham, fish, and more. With the Ulfsemani Pellet Smoker Tube, you can enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous, billowing smoke. The process is simple. Just fill the tube with your favorite wood pellets, whether it's cherry, hickory, mesquite, apple, pecan, or any other flavor that tickles your taste buds. Use a propane torch to ignite the pellets, let them burn for about 10 minutes, blow out the flame, and place the smoker tube on your grill. Then sit back and let the tube work its magic. This smoker tube is constructed from 100% high-quality 304 stainless steel. It's not only resistant to rust but also heat-resistant, ensuring it stands up to the demands of outdoor cooking. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.